Let's start. The project name is the tab layout with dynamic fragments. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity, a fragment, and a view pager adapter. In the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity, and a fragment_blank.xml file, which is the layout of the fragment. In the activity_main.xml file, the constraint layout is the root layout. This is the tab layout. This is the view pager. In the fragment_blank.xml file, the constraint layout is the root layout. And we simply have a text view. Let's see the Java code now. This is the view pager adapter that extends the fragment state adapter. This adapter creates the fragments for the view pager and keeps their count. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, we set the view pager with the adapter. Here we set the title and the icon of the tabs. In the blank fragment, we set the UI of the fragments. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a tab layout with dynamic fragments in Java Android. Thanks for watching.